beautiful. And what to say instead? It's the affirmation that every woman elegantly wants and even needs to hear, you are beautiful. Like many girls, I inspire to be beautiful. As a child, I spent many hours playing with the makeup. My mom used to make curls for me. From a young age, I associated beauty with expectationalism. Also, like many girls, crazy throughout my life. I worried about my weight and felt anxious about my appearance. Days when I felt that I'm not feeling beautiful, I was filled with self loathing. Although I knew that the superficial wasn't everything, I understood that beauty was one of the cornerstones to identify you as a young woman. If I wasn't beautiful, how could I put my best self forward? How could I designate myself as worthy of someone's time? One of the best examples of such an effort is the Dove Real Beauty campaign, attempts to show women can be beautiful across a variety of sizes, shapes, etc. There is a familiar anxiety that runs throughout these movements. However, the idea is that all women should feel beautiful. Beauty is often judged by our looks. Are you skinny? Is your skin spots free and perfectly smooth? Is your hair silky and soft? Like the best of the shampoos which we find L'Oreal, Garnier, etc., what they show. Shiny, soft hair, or the creams which we have seen. Beauty, creams, ponds and all, etc. All these facts come into play when people define beauty. But that is not what beauty is about. What defines beauty is your personality and attitude. One can be perfectly beautiful, yet they are the most shallow and mean person you could ever meet. So in today's video, I'm going to share some of the facts that will show you why you are beautiful. Number one, your passion speaks louder than your looks. Your passion defines you more than your looks. You are passionate, you radiate any attitude of ambition and enthusiasm. Having something that you are passionate about means you have goals in your mind and you're not afraid to go for it. You're striving for success, not sitting back and saying, I can't do that. Why bother? You don't let fear hold you back, but instead you focus on something which will make you happy. It doesn't matter whatever you are doing. Just you need to be passionate and go for it without any fear. What matters is your drive and that you are passionate about something and you don't take no for any answer. Determination and passion is what makes you beautiful. You are yourself around others. You don't let others to hold you back for being yourself. Too many people showing your real face to others is terrifying. But you are always yourself. You don't let others' opinion scare you into being someone else. Instead, you choose to be you. You are a truly beautiful girl if you possess this quality. People can often sense you when you are fake or notice if you are reserved or afraid to speak. To be able to be yourself is inspiring and beautiful because you're putting yourself out there without fear. Don't chase the limelight. You don't need to be the center of attraction. You're not the one who makes as much noise as they can just to be heard. You know that you do not need to be in the limelight to gain any sort of happiness. If you constantly aim to be in the spotlight, you're looking to others for validation. People do not like characters which are always in the line of vision and trying to gain your attention. You know that you can just be yourself with others without the need to be in the limelight. People will see you as a beautiful girl when you're being you, not trying to persistently have all the attention to you. So please do not pretend for yourself and be what you are. You are beautiful. You know how to talk. You know how to speak to others with confidence and kindness. You know the importance of communicating properly. You do not shy away from conversation, but speak when necessary, without having an aggressive manner. You know the value of showing interest in others instead about speaking of yourself and yourself only. People want to know that you're interested in speaking to them as well as listening to them. So speak if required. You are independent. You are someone who is independent and does not need someone to do work for you. This means that you're not shy of doing any kind of work, any sort of work on your own. Whether it's going to a workout class alone or going to a shopping on your own. You are confident in your own abilities and understand that you can do things alone. You never need any directions from others. You can do it by yourself. People love confident individuals who are happy to do their things or their work independently. It shows that you are self assured and trust yourself. You care about more than just yourself. You care about others more than just yourself. This means that you show interest in others and you are not solely self focused. You don't talk about yourself but ask others about themselves and are concerned by what they say. It means that you care for others' welfare. When they tell you about their current problems, you show concern and you want to help make them feel better. People love this because it shows that you are interested in them and not waiting to talk about yourself. People love people who care and invest in a relationship. You have an open mind. You do not have a closed mind, but you accept other people's belief without criticizing or judging them for it. You understand that we all have different opinions. Could even go as far as listening to others' opinions with a willingness to accept it. This makes you a beautiful person because it means that you're not judgmental and open to all kind of people in your life. You have a soul. It's as simple as you sound. You have a soul. You're not someone who's cold hearted or lives in a mystery. You do not act like soulless zombie who simply does not care about anything. You are someone who cares about life and how can you enjoy it. You care about life and those around you because being miserable is a waste of time. You care about the impact you can have on the world. This makes you beautiful because it shows that you have attitude to enjoy your life. You're not simply mopping and focusing on negatives. Instead, you want to be involved in the world. You don't strive for perfection. You need to understand that you cannot spend time or waste time on aiming for perfection. You know that no one is perfect and you can only give your best. Everyone has flaws or make mistakes. It's a part of learning process. Being a perfectionist will only lead to restricted life, meaning you will miss out the best life opportunities. People see you as beautiful when you loosen up a little and let life guide you. You aren't focusing on making sure every little detail is precise, but instead you're opening up your mind for new experiences. You are happy. You feel that being yourself makes you happy. After all, why should we let our flaws to stop us from being happy? Being happy is more important than focusing on negatives. You embrace yourself for who you are and don't focus on any mistakes you may make. Choose happiness, and you will find that this is the most beautiful thing you can wear. There is nothing more uplifting than having a positive energy around. You don't need validation from others. You don't require any validation from others around you. You understand that what you do and say does not have to be approved. It is your life. So it does not matter if someone else frowns upon one of your choices. By constantly seeking validation, you struggle to find happiness, and you will only appear nervous and uncertain, not beautiful and careful. If you let go of that need of approval, you will allow yourself that freedom to be yourself. That is the true beauty of freedom. From validation, that you can let yourself go completely. You smile often. One of the most beautiful thing in the life is smiling. It shows that you are a happy and a positive person, something that will attract to others. You smile because you are happy. Smile because it releases those endorphins that can bring you extra happiness. Smile at others because it is polite and friendly. A smile shows that you are fond of life, that you are not sitting back, moping about little things. You are optimistic. You look at the world through optimistic eyes. This means that you do not look at the negatives in your life. Instead, you focus on what you can learn from bad experiences. Always look at life with love and excitement. You look at what can go right in a future scenario, not at the worst outcome. People love this because it means that you are a happy go lucky person. It makes you beautiful due to the positive vibes that you give. You are prepared to show your flaws. This can be a hard thing to do as it means allowing people to see your faults. This is also why it is a beautiful quality to possess, as it shows that you're being yourself. In conversations, you are willing to let go your insecurities. You are willing to share stories, help others out, and not to be worried by what they will think. You can open up to others and speak with confidence without focusing on your faults. So, my friends, beautiful girls, women, ladies, true beauty is never about looks. It's all about being a good person. What makes you beautiful is being kind, carefree, and happy. I'm sure you will be pleasantly surprised to find out how beautiful you really are, and always stay beautiful forever and ever. Till then, take care of yourself and bye.